What's up? I'm Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'm going to show you how to unlock the Bungalow, which will be your second house. This one is much larger than the first with 3 complete rooms. How do we buy it? Well, first of all, you can find the house all the way in the extreme top left over here. In order to actually purchase this thing, you'll need to head all the way down to the southeast side where you'll find these 2 buildings here. This is the realtor. During the daytime, heading all the way across to the real estate office I mentioned earlier. Right over here, we can head inside and speak to Ray. They'll sell us a property for which we can purchase the bungalow for $4,000. At the top, I've already purchased it, but you just click it, select it, and bam, you actually own the place. Then you'll find it on the map marked with this a little icon over here. You can head across to it and start building and transfer your things from the old place to the new place. Pretty cool. In the future, you'll be expanding further, buying more locations, and you can do that here. Heading all the way across to our brand new bungalow, you can head inside and start populating things as you hope. There's this area over here, followed by the kitchen area here. This is pretty stocked up. And finally, the bedroom over here, which you can use for whatever else as well. That's it. Hopefully you found this video useful. Thank you for watching. My name has been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.